morning. What a beautiful morning in Tennessee it is. If you come around this way, we'll go around the 2025 Eclipse Cross. This thing is super sharp. This one is the, it's the SE with a tech package. So that comes with these nice alloy wheels down here. This one has the black roof rails with the dual sunroof, one in the front, one in the back, and then LED headlights, fog lights, turn signals, brake lights, tail lights, all of it. It's all LED. But we'll go a little bit closer to it, get some more in depth, right? So yeah, follow me. Let's get into it. What a beautiful day to be out on the boat. Really just to be out near the water. It's not too hot because the clouds are out. But anyways, let's get into this thing. So, it's a 2025 Eclipse Cross SE. So you do have cameras up front. You've got cameras up back. I'm learning about these things, honestly. I'm a certified expert salesperson for Mitsubishi, but to be honest, as you guys know, I've mainly focused on Outlanders and Mirages, so I know all there is to know about them. But we need to learn about these too, because these are super sharp cars, really reliable. They do come with all the same warranties. Of course, it's a brand new Mitsubishi. This one, the SE, let's see, Eclipse Cross SE. This has got the turbo, so it's got a little more horsepower. This one, let's see. So additional equipment on this guy. You get the welcome package that everybody gets. You got the tonneau cover. Here, we'll go back here and look. Let's just see. So in the back, you got the tonneau cover. Love them for the privacy. Rolls up when you got those big boxes, whatever. You do have your normal carpet and the all-weather floor mats down low. Under this floor mat, you got a little hole for your finger to get in there. You got the full-size spare with the whole kit. So that right there is going to get your lug nuts off. That right there is going to help your jack right there. Jack this little thing up so you can put this spare if you ever need it. I know I needed it. I'll put that clip in towards the end of the video of what happened while I was in Florida. Anyways, so we're gonna go on around. We're gonna come inside the back. Let's look at the back. We never really get in the back of the cars. So back here, you do have the leather seats all around. We got the armrest with 2 cup holders for your passengers. You got chargers back here. Super comfy, not too much to it. Like I said, you do have the double sunroof where I can control this one if I wanted to. This one doesn't open, by the way. It has the shade on it. We'll look at that here in just a second. So, hopping in, push to start. You gotta hit the brake, goofball. Push to start. Love it. So let's turn this back on. It's kind of warm and toasty. All right. Anyways, where was I? Oh yeah, the sunroof. So right here, as you can see, I got a little control for my shade. Whoa, why'd my camera do that? Hello? That was strange. Anyways, you got the shade. You can hit that, boom. Shade here, boom. And then, if you want just a little bit of vent, you push this little button up. And you can push it back forward to close it. And then you pull it backward. She opens up. All right, so you do have Mitsubishi Connect with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. I do believe you do have to plug it in. We got heated seats, leather wrapped steering wheel, and gear selector, all-wheel control. So you got the different modes here. Let me zoom in. Right here you see normal, snow, gravel. Snow is gonna be pretty self-explanatory for those slippery, wet conditions. Gravel is for like your light off-roading, trail riding, things like that, like I did with that Jeep. And then normal obviously is just normal, but these things have great gas mileages. You get adaptive cruise control, your phone controls, so you can be fully hands-free while driving it. But let's go for a little test drive, see how this thing handles. Yeah, sweet. Let's see how that mount works. All right, seatbelt on, sunglasses on, camera recording. Let's go for a drive. So I'm already facing the wrong way, and I'm going to turn around. And we're just going to cruise. See how this does. Sorry, that was dumb. You don't have to laugh at my jokes, guys. Chill. I'll laugh at them for you. Oh, since we got such a good view, go ahead and show you the backup camera. Pretty clear, super easy to see, even with sunglasses on that are polarized. Let's get on the highway. We're going to take this turn with confidence. Hardly any body roll in this thing, and I'm taking this turn at 35 right now. But let's see how that turbocharger does. No issues whatsoever getting on the highway. And we're cruising at speed. And then of course you got blind spot monitoring. I don't know if the camera's picking up those mirrors, but we've got blind spot monitoring, and when we get somebody next to us, it'll beep at you if you try to change lanes while there's somebody next to you. So I'm gonna do it again, watch. Yep. She's like, no, there's somebody there, we're gonna crash, and we don't want to do that. So that's one thing that you can always rely on with these Eclipse Crosses that have it equipped. You're never gonna hit somebody that you didn't see. Like say you have a whole, like you're moving, because I'm getting ready to move. I'm gonna have a whole bunch of stuff in the back of my car and in my truck, and visibility is gonna be a little bit low. So what I intend on doing is having blind spot mirrors or blind spot monitoring in my car, which is going to help tremendously, especially on long rides. But definitely one of my favorite safety features to date. Let's see. Also, adaptive cruise control. I can't praise it enough. I freaking love adaptive cruise control. This one, I've got it set at 65. Pretty sure this guy's going to be going slower than me, so we're going to get behind him, and it's going to slow the car down automatically, keep me at this distance behind this person. See, they moved out of the way. The car's going to speed itself back up to the set speed that I have until we get to a certain distance behind this guy. That beep was for lane departure because of that double lane. It'll also let you know if you start to leave your lane. I can show you that real quick. She's like, hey, we're cruising out of our lane. We need to come back. conjunction with the all-wheel control system to give you a super smooth ride. Whether you're on the highway or going through rough city streets like this, I mean, this is a smooth ride. I might as well be on a cloud. I'm just saying, like, I mean, obviously it's no Rolls Royce or anything like that, but Lord have mercy, if it's not one of the best riding vehicles I've been in a long time. I will say something about the drivetrain in this. The turbo lag is there, but you already have the power from the engine itself, which is plenty enough for what you need. You can just feel that turbo lag. Like right now, we're building boost, and then there it is. I can feel it start to take off a little bit easier as that turbo builds up. But it's not a complaint, it's just a note that I'm making. You still, like I said, you still have plenty of power without the turbo, but you can feel that turbo kick in as you get rolling. Well, I know it looked like I was leaving my lane, ma'am, but there's some road construction going on, and I know it's confusing. All you see is the lights. Another thing that this one has, I can't recall if it's across the board on these, but this one has the navigation built in with it, powered by TomTom. You get your speed limit here. You can do your searches and stuff when you're parked. Do not try to use this other than to look at it while you're driving, because that's just not safe. But yeah, it's got the built-in TomTom powered navigation system. Super easy to use, very self-explanatory. As you can see, you got search, my places, my routes, points of interest. It doesn't get any easier than that. Whoa. Wonder what that was about. Alright, folks, here we are turning into the dealership again. As you can see, it is a busy day today. So come on, see me before all my cars are sold, because they're getting that way, and fast. See that blue F-150? That one's going to be for sale very soon. It's four-wheel drive, got the tonneau covered. Tow package. See, you got the running boards. It's an XLT. So you know you got that Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Right here until you come to get it, and I'll be happy to give you the keys and the paperwork to sign. Alright y'all, so final looks. Beautiful car, wonderful drive, super easy to just get used to, super efficient on fuel. I mean, we're averaging 25. This one's the turbo as well, so we're averaging 25. I bet you they're getting those low numbers because they got their foot in it, because it's fun to have your foot in it. This one's an SEL, so it's going to have pretty much all the same things that this one has. Plus, let's see, what was it? What does this one have? Okay. So I'm not sure why, but This is an SE with the tech package, and this is an SEL. So, what this doesn't have, that this does, is that color. Beautiful color, by the way. It's probably my favorite red I've seen on a car, and they call it red diamond. Like, look at that shine. With that spoiler too. Come on, sporty. But yeah, come see me. I love these things. I'm gonna show you why you should love them too. And I don't want to sell you a car, but I would love for you to buy one from me. So come holler. Ed Kirby's Adventure Mitsubishi, downtown Chattanooga. You get off on MLK and you go away from the Bronze Building. Come on down the street, take you left, and I'll be right up there, right at that door. Just come on in. I'll be ready to talk to you. Oh, this has full leather seats, whereas this, figured it out, has the leather here and then this nice suede material. I prefer this over full leather anyways, because your legs aren't going to stick to that. These guys are working hard. That was fun. Alright guys, come see me, come holler, like, comment, subscribe, share, follow me on Facebook, TikTok. I'll tag all those in the description. Also, you know what, screw it, I'm gonna put my new inventory in the description too as a link, so go check that out as well. Thanks guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one.